So the drone I ordered is from Syma, Syma. Syma, tama, Syma. Okay. So it's Wi-Fi transmission. Yan po yung ano niya. Maliit masyado, huwag na basahin. Ito yung sa taas, okay? Head-free, 360 degree version, 6-axis stabilization, HD cam equipment, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi transmission. Okay? So, ano ba ito binubuksan? Okay, sa gilid siya. Okay. Notes for blade installation. During blade installation, please install it on the corresponding motor base according to A and B pattern. So, it comes with the manual, instruction manual. Hindi ko alam kung bakit dalawa. Okay, here's what's inside the box. Okay. Lagyan natin ng konti yung camera. Okay, so we have the manual. I'm assuming this is the remote control. Okay, let's see it. Okay. I don't know what this is. So I guess this is the clip for the camera. Here's the actual camera. Okay, plastic ba? Okay, up. The drone is under there, so we pull it out slowly. Up. Ito yung skids niya. There's 4. Okay, that's the drone. Okay. May mga parts siyang dikit, okay, and the rotors, okay. May assistant ako dito sa tabi ko ngayon. Careful, shorty. Here's the remote control. I don't know why that's there. I guess to protect the screen. This is a phone holder, and I assume you just slip it in. Okay. So I guess it's like that. Yeah. So it looks okay. Okay. Batteries are 4 pieces of AAA batteries, which I'm glad I still have. I got this from the Xiaomi store. Okay. Just follow the instructions on how to put in the batteries and you should be fine. Okay. So, power's on. Okay, so kita niyo yung LCD, oh. Okay. So, turn it off. Okay. Next, here's the power pack. I'm already charging it. There's 2 indicator lights, so I think it's red if it's charging, it's green if it's charged. Okay. So, see. Okay. Comes with a lot of screws, a small screwdriver, and some other parts in it, and all this stuff. So here's the actual drone. Okay. Right now it's off. Okay. So this is where it comes for the battery. Okay. So So, ito yung battery. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Okay. So, I guess this is the battery for the quadcopter. Yan. Galing kasi hindi nagbabas eh. Okay. So, red to red. Okay. Red to red, black to black. Okay. We put back the battery inside. Ito malamang sa camera. Okay. Yun. So, tatanggalin mo yung takip doon. Okay. Then, you shoot this inside. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This may screw. So, doing it again. Okay. Here. Ayan, oh. Tanggalin mo yan. Okay. Then, get another one. Slide it in. Okay. Slide it in. Okay. So sabi 2 screws down each side. All ones to screw in the guards, the propeller guards, I assume. Okay. Okay. Next, insert the sands in the quadcopter body as shown. So, mukhang ganun. Okay. Okay. Twist the wide screws. Okay, wide screws. So ito, I guess this is the wide screws. Question is where? Ayun, okay. There's a small hole there. Ayan, oh. Here, see that? Madilim eh. So may maliit yan na butas. Ganun siya. Okay. So, tumatayo na po ang quadcopter natin mag-isa. Guys, ganito i-charge siya, no? So, pwede mo ilabas yung battery nila sa loob or like this. Diretso lang siya. Okay. So, yan, kita niya is charging. Klaro. Okay. So, it's marked naman here. So, yan, ito nalagay, naka-A. So, we need to remove this. Medyo twist nyo lang ito. May narinig kayong pop pag twist nyo. Okay? So when you're able to twist that, remove this small pin. Okay, there's extra pins there in the plastic, you know. So lift it up. Okay, get one of the blades, push it down. Okay, once you push it down, you can return this na. Okay. When you return it, twist it around so that you have the hole where you can put this metal thing again. Okay? So watch. Yan, okay? Once it's in again, you need to twist it again. Ayan. Okay, narinig nyo? Nag-click. Okay? So yun na siya. Connected na siya. Okay? So, ganun lang siya mga kaibigan. So, we'll do it again. Twist. Okay. Remove the pin. And the clip. Okay. Ito naman, B naman siya ngayon. Okay. So, we're gonna take B. Press it all the way down. Put it back in. Okay. Hanggang sa makita nyo yung butas ulit. There's a small pinhole there. Okay. Put the metal rod again. Okay, so ang kailangan magsakto siya. Then lift it up ng konti, then twist again. Okay, so kita niyo hindi na gumagalaw. Okay. Ngayon, I think this goes here. I'm not sure. Okay, so testingin natin. Okay, so we're gonna remove the power na that's charging the. Okay. So turn it on. Okay. Amel, stay away, please. We haven't connected the camera, no? So baka lumipad, baka lang si Batman. Oh. Okay, so nakita nyo, mandar.
So cool.
We'll turn it off again muna for safety.
So cool.
Okay. We need to put away all the parts that we have, the extra parts. Okay. We might lose things.
Papa, I think when you fly this, you need to close it.
Okay. Okay, so we need to find out how to connect the camera. Okay, and so we close this na, we charge it naman. So we'll try it again later. We'll charge it again later. Okay. Then we put, I guess, here. Wala nakalagay kung saan. Okay. And it's the camera is here. Okay.